Hello everyone, welcome back to this Microsoft Excel tutorial journey with me on my Knowledge Factor YouTube channel. This is the 50th session in the journey. So, alright, your chart is starting to be a little bit more presentable now. Not just out of the box default template, but kind of a style of chart. So, now when we first created the charts, I selected my data, went to the insert tab, inserted the 2D column chart and put it on the same worksheet as the spreadsheet is contained on. Right, which is great. This allows you to place the chart wherever you like. But it side by side, put it on top of one another wherever you want, and you can resize the chart. You can grab the corner, you can resize it, rescale that to fit in whatever position you need. Now, what if you want that the chart have its own worksheet? Right, something much bigger, something that's not going to become cluttered on there, and I won't have to worry about the print options and getting all the print right. Although we'll get in there and mess with the print options as well to get it to look just right, but I want it on its own sheet. Really simple to do. With the chart selected, go to the chart design tab, and towards the right hand side we have an option for move chart. Two options. So default we have object in, and I picked the worksheet, and right now it's on the same worksheet as the data. Now if I had other worksheet in here, I got a little drop down and I could pick which worksheet I want to put this on. Right, I only got one worksheet, but if I had multiple they would show up here. The other option is new sheet. So this will create a brand new sheet. It's not typical worksheet, columns and rows like our Excel worksheet have, but this is a chart worksheet and it's only going to contain the chart. So just rename this, let's say chart monthly budget. And I'll hit OK. Now I have got my second sheet there. If you see here, I got the second sheet. Chart monthly budget, and it's got just the chart on there, no columns and rows, no other data. The chart is still connected to the original data. So if I go back to my monthly budget worksheet, and remember I changed the rent to 1100 from 1000. Let's change that. Let's say they actually gave me a discount. I'm going to go to 900 now, and if I hop over the chart monthly budget tab, that bar has now updated to 900. So it's still connected to the original data source. Here you can do all the same formatting, text but a bit smaller. So maybe I want to bump this up. I'm going to do the same thing with my legend, and you know what? I like the background and the colors at that style that can chart style gave me, but I think I like the legend at the top. So I'll go back to the chart design. I'll go to the add chart elements, legend, top. I like it there. I think it looks much better. But you decide what you want your chart to look like. But now it's on its own worksheet. You can print it separately. It's got a nice big visual representation of it. If you want to put it back, if I want to put it back on the original worksheet, I can select the chart. Go to make sure it's selected. Go to the chart design, move chart, and now you have to select the object in and select whatever sheet you want to move this chart to. So try this out, move it to a new worksheet, get a feel for how that works. If you like, you can move it right back, but try that out. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and as I always say, if you really liked it and enjoying this journey, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get the latest content update on this channel. Alright, then we'll meet up in the next session. In case you have any questions, any concerns, then do let me know in the comment section of the video. Till the time, goodbye and take care.